Imagine yourself in this Jeep 2018 Compass Latitude. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are Quick Order Package 28J, 6 speakers, AM/FM radio, Uconnect 3 with 5 display, air conditioning, rear window defroster, power steering, power windows and remote keyless entry. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. This car won't be available much longer. Call now to schedule a test drive at our dealership.